Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you this Tuesday afternoon from where else but the balcony here at the New York Stock Exchange. And following yesterday's performance by the New York Rangers, getting clobbered 6-2, and it being a great day outside, we need to inject some energy into this report. We need some energy in New York City in general because it doesn't feel like that good of a day. So, you know how you resolve those types of issues, right? At least not over the top. Grab yourself a drink. Salute. Let's relax. It's time for happy hour here in the Big Apple. Now, U.S. stocks, they're trading in a narrow range this Tuesday afternoon, still attempting to build off a positive momentum from Europe and also a record close just yesterday, while investors are also keeping an eye on a continued strengthening of the U.S. dollar. Now, of important note, I'm going to start with this. The Dow Jones Industrial Average hitting a new intraday record, 18,328.60, before pairing gains as the major markets continue to fluctuate around the flat line approaching the closing bell. Now, to start off the day, the markets attempted to hold on to mild gains following a better than expected read in housing data. April's housing starts totaling 1.135 million for the month of April. That's above the 1.02 million estimate. Now, that read follows week readings of little above 900,000 in both February as well as March. At the same time, U.S. stock index futures, they were also higher due to European equities as investors reacted to strong corporate earnings and comments on the timing of bond buying by a member of the ECB. Now, you team that again with the strong U.S. dollar rising a lot against its counterparts, gold down more than $20 on the strong jobs read, and oil down ahead of tomorrow's supply data, and you have yourself a session right behind me now where every two stocks declined for every advancer. That's right, at the New York Stock Exchange. Let's take a look to see how the markets have shaped up to close out this relatively volatile yet narrow trading session. And on the corporate front, Autodesk about to see its earnings after the bell, and Dick's Sporting Goods, the sporting goods retailer, beating estimates by 4 cents with a quarterly profit of 57 cents per share, and revenue was in line with expectations. However, not all was good as its comparable store sales, it increased only 1%, just shy of 1.5%, which was expected. The company also raising the low end of its full year earnings guidance. And with that stated, again, the Lightning destroying the Rangers yesterday, 6-2, not good. Let's get them in game 3. And the New York Mets, you know, that's my team, that's my heart. No run support for Harvey last night, but a win is a win. They duked it out, fought it out in the 14 innings, and today's an important day. It's the 19th of May, 2015, and exactly 3 years ago, 107 years in the making, the greatest team in all the land, Chelsea FC, were the champions of Europe. Don't forget the date. I never will. We love you, King Didier. We always have and we always will. For ModernWallStreet.com, until tomorrow morning, I'm James Sweeney.